112, legal entity of public law under the Ministry of Internal Affairs. So I would like to start my presentation with functions of 112. We receive calls from entire Georgia about emergency situations, and in concerted work with other agencies, we provide assistance to our citizens, and our mission is to reduce the time for assistance. And of course the first step on this is communication means, so that every individual has handy way of getting in touch. So I would talk about alternative communication lines such as SMS and video call, fire and CO gas detectors, mobile applications, maps, and I will go through each individual topics. First I would like to start with is SMS and video call service, which was created for people with hearing and sight impairments. And before, it was only possible to get in touch with us only by voice connection, and not everyone had this chance, especially this vulnerable group of people. And we started working on this, and SMS communication or video call requires more time. We decided that the first-hand information, which is important to us to react quickly, that's why we did the pre-registration form, where a citizen includes all the necessary information that we have, and after that they will be able to get in touch with us quickly and independently. While coming up with the plan and implementation system, we incorporated all the ideas and thoughts of individuals, and we came up with several directions that are tailored to their specific needs. This is the interface, if you like, of our application. Once we receive SMS information, it goes to a free operator. The operators are trained for sign language, to understand and communicate in sign language, and they have the opportunity to see previous reports came into the system by the same people, and we have specific samples that they can use in their communication with this particular group. And this project was launched in spring, and I would like to take this opportunity and express my appreciation to UN and Swedish government, and they assisted us in launching this project. And I would like to share with you good news. And in 84 countries, Georgia and Romania were presented as a best countries in terms of innovative approach in their activity. Next is GPS trackers and services related to that. Georgia is quite mountainous, and it's quite often when tourists get lost in mountains and they are out of the coverage area for mobile phones, and sometimes they're not able to specify where they are. And today any individual which has a GPS tracker can send us SMS message, and in that case we will know their whereabouts and location, and we can verify their coordinates. We can also double check their personal data, and our reaction will become quite quick. And quite often the rescue operations could take 2 or 3 days, which required lots of financial and labor and human resources, and 2 and 3 days are quite significant in terms of rescue operation. And in stimulating this, we brought into the country several GPS trackers that we handed over to travel agencies for free so they can use it, and this will save lives. Next service that I would like to present to you is a special detectors, CEO and gas detectors, and their integration with 112 service. And with winter coming, we are witnessing almost every day CEO intoxication and poisoning, and in most of the cases it may lead to fatal results. And if CEO detectors and other anti-fire systems are installed, we can also get into this system and take alarms. When alarm goes off, we will know the address of the object, and we know the height of the apartment building, and we will know up front what needs to be taken with us in conducting any rescue operation. CEO has no smell, no color, and people cannot actually distinguish. And we would like to commend on 2 partners, Sheraton and Mediclub. The service is free, and any organization or physical person can use this service. We are not satisfied entirely, and we are continuing creation of mobile applications and working. And the mobile application, we started thinking about this because number of smartphone users are increasing every day, and what is important to us in the first instance is to establish the location of a person, just to respond quickly, and to receive GPS coordinates. And if applications may have other functions, SOS alarm, for example, and which enables people to take pictures and send these pictures to us, and video call tracking function, and the multifunctional purpose of these smartphones. And this is done for 3 platforms: iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. This application also incorporates maps, and users will be able to see nearest rescue team's location, and there will also be information about public services. Another project, it's eCall, which is being carried out within the frames of European Council or European Commission assistance. When car gets into accident, GPS receptor gets automatically starts signaling, and we will know the model of the car, we know the address, and we know what happens. And here is time also crucial, and our quick emergency response. And if someone is damaged, then they may not be able to call us, and that's why it is important that we know about it. With companies operating in the Georgian market, we started implementing this project, and we will install these systems on 3,000 vehicles. This is going to be a pilot project. Another topic that I would like to stress your attention on is maps. Maps are not alternative information, but whatever information is received into 112 will be reflected on maps. We would like to create digital maps, which also enables us to visualize information and to see and to make an analysis and to see which areas are most susceptible to any emergency situations and so on. And maps also have we will also have some information about emergency situation, and we can put it on the map, and we can also identify some danger zones and send this information to users. And if we receive some many alarms from certain areas, we will know that this area is dangerous. This was all I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much.